Hi, I'm going to share with you how to connect WhatsApp contact to GoHighLevel. First, go to this URL that is displayed on the screen. Then look for GoHighLevel and click Setup Now. And then look for Connection, then connect more GoHighLevel account. You will then be directed to GoHighLevel account page and choose the account that you would like to connect to. Then put a check beside WA contact and then proceed. After that, you'll be redirected back to WA contact. Click on connections again, check if your GoHighLevel account is listed and then change the number if required. Make sure that the WhatsApp number setting is correct. Then go to GoHighLevel to do a test. Make sure that WhatsApp contact is configured as a phone number by going to settings and then go to phone number. Under advanced setting and current provider for SMS, make sure that it's WhatsApp contact and then click save. Next, add in a contact if there isn't any contact in this GoHighLevel account. Click on contact and then at the top left menu bar, click on the plus sign, then followed by adding in a contact. To do a test, click on the contact name and you'll be directed to a chat window. To chat, at the bottom look for SMS, then start typing in your message and then click send. A chat bubble will appear with a status showing if it is being sent. To make sure that it's being sent, go back to WhatsApp contact, click on report, and you'll be able to see that this message is being successfully sent out.